right? So we are going to create a method in this my second class, right? You say using arrow function, we have some method. Watch how I'm going to create an arrow function as a method, right? Equals to this, right? Remember this. So if you look at the way we create arrow functions here, basically from anonymous, where we decompose anonymous function, you could see that there are no names, right? There are no names, but we could assign this to a variable. So that's what we are doing here. We have sim method equals this, then the arrow basically literally, and the code block. So we are going to console.log. Let's console.log this dot name, right? Sorry about this. Now, so let's do the same thing that was done here. The first case, this is the first case, case 1. Let's call this case 1, right? Let's call this case 2. Case 2, right? Now in the second case here, we are going to create an instance also. We say let instance 2, right? Let instance second, right, equals to new me class second, right? Now I'm going to create another variable. We say let new function, right, second equals to a method. We say instance second dot some. Okay, let's call this my name dot my name, right? Now if you observe in the first case here where we try to call this function here, let's call this function new function, we get an error, right? We get this error prompted, right? You see it throws an error, right? So in the second case, let's call this function here. We have new function second. We call this